So what's up guys, and welcome as always to my channel. Today I'm gonna present to you my new cheap Amazon drone with camera. I'm sure it's
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before, and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
protection on because safety come first. Okay, so okay, I don't need to open that. Just click it, make this out, and click this here. Okay, so tingly dingly 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 ding. Fly on. But if you get a hold of how it's done, I think it's okay. It's by itself going left a little, right a little bit, but I don't blame this because it's like 80 euros, $85 or something like that. So it's a cheap one, but I think I kind of like how it's flying. Maybe maybe this and another cheap one and practice much, and I think I'm gonna do an upgrade because I like how it's driving. It's like a video game. If you stay in the back of the drone, you're in a video game. It feels like you're in a video game. So this is the drone camera. I think it's horrible. The stabilization, it's horrible. I just drive a fly left and right and it's looking like this. Horrible. So thanks for watching this video. Check out my other playlists. Subscribe to my channel, turn on notification to not miss any further videos. Peace out.